I am so excited to share with you my unboxing and inspiration using the Amethyst Edition Fuse Foiling System from Gina K Designs. With all of the foiling that Gina has done over the years and coming out with these polyglaze sheets, this is a great addition to her line. I literally just got this delivered and I wanted to share an unboxing video of this machine with you. So this is the Gina K Designs Amethyst Edition Fuse Foiling System. This is going to be great to use with your polyglaze sheets or any type of foiling with the toner sheets that you want to do. I haven't even opened it. I'm going to do that with you now and we can check it out and see what's inside. You can use this to add foiling effects with your pre-designed toner sheets, polyglaze sheets, and transfer gel. Or if you create your own designs with a laser printer. This has a 6-inch opening, which is a perfect size for most of the crafting projects. I know that's the size that my mini Mink machine is in, so love this. Now, the package contains one Fuse Foiling System machine with 5 heat settings to use with your different materials. It's ready to use in 60 seconds, which means it heats up super fast. Just need to plug it in. Let's go ahead and get it opened. Now you can kind of see there is a bunch of stuff in here. So let's pull this out, pull that plastic wrap off. Looks like it also has a protective film on it that I'm going to go ahead and remove. So as it said on the box, this is the limited edition Amethyst. So this is actually like a very, very light purple. And then we have Gina's signature turquoise teal type of coloring here. So is that center button. You can see we have the 5 different heat settings depending on the project that you're creating. Your opening to feed your sheets through. And then our button on the back. And then it looks like we also have a jam release. That's kind of handy to have, huh? So this one, this Amethyst one, I believe she had stated the reason this one is a special edition amethyst color is because that is the color of her birthstone, I believe. And there will be a white version of this released, I believe, sometime next year. I don't know when, but for right now we have the amethyst, which is just, it's gorgeous. I love the roundedness of it. It's such a sleek design. So now we'll take a look at some of the things that were in this package. Now, I know when I first got an email from Gina about showcasing this, I was shocked at how much stuff she is including in this package. Like there's so much in here. You're getting not only a machine, but a ton of other stuff for an amazing price. So if you have been looking at maybe getting a laminator or a mini Mink machine, this is going to be a great option for you because it is priced so well. So here is a sheet that's included in there that's going to introduce the Fuse Foiling System for you. It has a 4-roller system to distribute your heat evenly and apply heat to both the top and bottom of your project for better foil fusion. Most laminators only have 2 rollers, which is good to know. I don't think I knew anything about that in the inside of in the machines. You have 5 heat settings to use anywhere from vellum to heavy cardstock. Warms up instantly, no long preheating time required. That's very important to me. Works with any foil design for laminator style of foiling. And it has a small and sleek profile. So inside this box, we are getting your machine, the limited edition amethyst color, plastic carrier sheet, 3 packs of limited edition polyglaze sheets, including birthday cheer, happy swirls, and crystals and gems that are only going to be available with the machine. 1 starter pack of 14 karat and sterling fancy foil by Thermal Web, 1 starter pack of wild lilac and amazing amethyst fancy foil, 2 small toner panels with balloons and butterflies, and the Fuse Foiling System instruction booklet. So of course, if you ever have any questions, you can always contact Gina K Designs. They have amazing customer service. To be honest, I don't know if you're getting this sheet in your kit. It's what came in mine, but it had a lot of useful information on it. So now we can take a look. So these are the Happy Swirls, part of the Amethyst edition. Crystals and gems. Now each of these are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch sheets, and you get 10 sheets in a pack. And then you have the birthday cheer, which has got the birthday sentiments on here. Birthday cheer, happy birthday, and birthday wishes. You have your owner's manual. Oh, look at those balloons. Ooh. This is a clear carrier sheet. I'm sure you could also use the carrier sheets from Thermoweb if you happen to have those too. How sweet. These are so cute. So these are those mini ones. What did that say? Oh yeah. These are the 2 small toner panels. This one's got the balloons on it. This one has some really pretty butterflies. So like it said, you can use the toner sheets or poly glaze in there. They both work in this system. And then your instruction manual. I have some videos on foiling. Gina's got tons of videos on foiling. I'm honestly going to skip the instruction booklet for right now. I'm going to jump right into testing this out. And then I will be featuring some products. So I'm just going to jump in and test this out. So I'm going to unravel this cord. I'm going to go crawl under my desk and plug this in. I went ahead and got that plugged in. I turned on the button on the back machine, and then I hit that center button to the level or to the setting number 3. That's the heat setting that I would usually use for my mini ink machine. So that's what I went with today. Now, these are the 3 packs of polyglaze that you are getting in this bundle. And I'm just going to use the swirls and the happy birthday set. Also in your bundle, you're going to be getting 2 packs of foil. There's going to be 14 karat and amethyst. Now, I did not have those in my bundle. Mine got sent out before these arrived in store. So I picked out wild lilac that I already had in my stash. And then I did already have the 14 karat as well. So I am taking a sheet of each of those colors and I trimmed them down to the size I needed for my panels. Using a large pair of scissors really helps when you're trimming down the foil. It seems to be, I don't want to say less flimsy, but it's just easier to cut. Now I'm taking both the polyglaze panel and my foil, and I am running a Swiffer cloth over the back just to help remove any dust or anything that might have been floating around. And as far as a carrier sheet, I believe you are getting this clear plastic one in with your machine, but I have some from Thermoweb that has this special lining in it that I'm going to use. So for the foiling, I have the polyglaze design facing up, the pretty side of the foil facing up, and then I'm running this through the machine. Now, I did notice that when I go to insert this into the slot, you have to just gently place it in there and let the rollers grab it. It does seem to have to go in a little bit further than a Mink machine in order for it to pick it up, but you just gently place it in that opening and let the machine take it. And then you just kind of gently put your hand in the back and let that fall out of place. Now I'm taking both of these and I will sit them off on the side for a few minutes to just cool off before I do any peel and reveal. Now I'm removing my birthday wishes one and it foiled absolutely beautiful. I did notice a little bit of gold speckles on there, so I think next time I foil, I am going to drop my heat setting down to 2 and see if that helps get rid of any of that gold speckling. Now these are absolutely gorgeous, and this one is so hard to see the wild lilac color only because of how it is on camera, but in person you can totally see that beautiful purple foil. And I am going to ink blend over the top. This is the Wild Lilac ink from Gina K Designs. I didn't really pick up a ton of ink. The surface is super, super smooth, so it blends beautifully. Now here is a look at both panels all foiled. I'm going to use a couple of the master layouts to cut out my foiled panel and also give it a scalloped border. And I'm going to finish most of the card off screen. I really wanted to focus on the foiling for today, but I am going to show you the completed card. I went back and I picked out a butterfly from the You Give Me Butterflies set. I thought with this beautiful kind of swirly background and that purple, that this butterfly would just be beautiful on the front. But of course, you could totally use those birthday sentiments. I'm just going to save them off on the side to put on future cards. And then for my card, I just finished it off with a sentiment and some gold pearls. So we have gorgeous foiling done. The machine works beautifully. I am super excited for this. Now, as I may have mentioned before, the Amethyst edition is a limited bundle. It's got a ton of product in here to get you started, and it is a super, super great price. So if you were looking for a machine to do your laminating and foiling, this is definitely for you. I will have all of the supplies that I used today listed down below in the video description and over on my blog. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.